I didn't expect, because I have no signal during the training. On training, everybody was feeling good. What we have been trying to do was good. Today, nothing was good. I think first half, we didn't give much chances away, but we didn't create also. So there was no movement. Also, we were losing a lot of balls, bad passing. So second half, we had been asking to play a little bit more aggressive up in the front. Therefore, we did also the changements. But if you give a goal like this away in a present against a team like South Africa, you know, and I told them, this is the first time now we play against a team who's playing Africa Cup of Nations. So we have to be on top. So today it was really dramatic. We have 2 days and we have to travel to Congo. So tomorrow we will start giving the players again the confidence, but we will first analyze the game. We will be showing also what we have been doing, what was wrong, what was less wrong.